We have some minor issues in the forecast for the day today. There's a little bit of moisture out there, and we have temperatures that are hovering just below freezing. So it's not out of the question that there could be a slick spot on the roadways. But remember, temperatures yesterday were back up into the low to mid 40s across the area. So the asphalt actually retains the heat fairly well. So that's why we're not really too much concerned about icy spots, with the exception of maybe a few bridges and overpasses here this morning. 30 degrees, that's the current temperature. The winds out of the north-northwest currently at 6 miles per hour. Here are your sunrise and sunset times. Unfortunately, though, we do not have much in the way of sunshine in the forecast for you during the day today, as the clouds will be firmly in place. 29, our cool spot in Lafayette. We're sitting at the freezing mark in both Peru as well as Muncie. 34 is the current temperature in Bloomington. You factor in the wind, which again is fairly light at only about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and it does put wind chill values in the 20s from Indianapolis to Muncie, where it feels like it's currently 26 degrees. But the overall big picture here still shows quite a bit of seasonably mild air, is a good way to put it, for this time of year, with the exception of Bismarck, where they're in the single digits. But from Chicago to Detroit and then down to our south, Evansville, Nashville, all these temperatures are running above normal this morning, and we will see our temperature, even with all this cloud cover that's in place, get up to right around 37 degrees, which is 1 degree above our normal high. So we're not doing all that bad for this time of year here towards the end of January. There's no big weather systems here in the Midwest. There is a big storm system, though, moving through Texas with some heavy rainfall in Dallas. If you're flying this morning from Indianapolis to Dallas, I know many of you connect through that airport down there. Certainly some delays will be possible, so check with your airline. And then this will eventually move over towards the Atlanta area as we progress throughout the course of the day. Skycam 6 should be able to get up in the sky here this morning, as visibility is not too much of an issue for us. As we go throughout the day, though, certainly lots of clouds around. And notice the temperature trend eventually getting up to about 37 degrees as we head into the 4 o'clock hour, and that will be our high temperature for the day today. So pretty quiet weather-wise here today, Ashley, and the next few days, but it gets a little more active heading into Sunday.
You know, the number that I keep in mind, Todd, is 12. The number 12 is the number that we hit as a high temperature on January 7th. We're not going back there. Even in the 7-day planning forecast, all the numbers are pretty much above freezing for high temperatures. So as we dive in here, just know that temperatures are getting cooler, but we're not that cool. Tomorrow morning, I think we start out with temperatures that are below freezing, but by afternoon, we warm things up. And as we do so in the afternoon hours, we work in a little sunshine. Temperatures peak at around 40 to 41 degrees. We're mostly sunny and dry as those clouds begin to thin out. Here it is on TrueCast, hitting that high of 40 to 41 in the afternoon hours tomorrow. And here's where we go with the temperature trend after that. Upper 30s for Muncie, low 40s for Bloomington, and then the temperatures dip Friday night, but just a little bit. We're down below freezing once again. Now, clouds will thicken as we get into Saturday. We'll actually start to see more in the way of cloud cover for your Saturday, but Saturday still a pretty nice day. We started out once again below freezing, but as you warm into the afternoon hours at 1 p.m., we're already at 39 degrees, and by 3 p.m., we see a high temperature of 42 on Saturday. Saturday is a dry day, but after 3 p.m. on Saturday, look at the cloud cover thickening over the area. This is TrueCast, our forecasting model. It's showing the satellite image with cloud cover, quite a bit of it there on Saturday evening. Mostly cloudy skies. That's the sign that the moisture is really overtaking the atmosphere here, and we're starting to see dew points and humidities rise at this point, and that's going to take you into Sunday. Sunday is a weather aware day. We want to keep you aware of what's happening here on Sunday, because we have a possibility of a wintry mix possible for you as we see rain in the afternoon, the possibility of some light snow at night. Now, as far as snowfall accumulations, we're only looking at light accumulations at this point, but it's a system that we want to monitor as it gets a little closer, because dependent on its track, it could bring us a little more in the way of snow, because the snow will continue into Monday. So here's a quick look at your weekend forecast. 42 Saturday, 42 Sunday, slight chance of snow for you on Sunday night. But I do think we'll start to see snow definitely by Sunday night into Monday. Monday temperatures only at 32 degrees. We will see some snow early in the day, and we dry out on Monday evening with temperatures falling off. We warm back up on Tuesday and Wednesday and see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. So you can see the forecast trend here is for temperatures to remain above freezing as high temperatures every day in the 7-day planner.